How to fix Snapchat notification not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Now scroll down, head towards the app Snapchat. Once you find it, open it. You'll see the option of notifications. Open it. Toggle on for the option of allow notifications. Likewise, check in for the option of lock screen notification center banners. Also toggle on for the option sounds and badges. Now you can close this. Now open your control center. Make sure you haven't enabled focus mode. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, open your settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of general. Open the option background app refresh. From here, find the app Snapchat. After you find it, toggle on for the option of Snapchat. Now close this, open your Snapchat. At the top left corner, you'll find your avatar. Click on it. Click on the settings icon. Scroll down, head towards the option of clear data. Scroll all the way down, you'll see the option of clear cache. Click on it. Click on clear. Heading towards next solution, open your app store. Search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Snapchat notification not working on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.